If you're experiencing login issues with San Diego County Credit Union, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify username and password. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Make sure that caps lock is not on and that you are using the correct case for your credentials. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Isr to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Reset your password. If you still cannot log in, consider resetting your password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the instructions to create a new password. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you have tried all the above steps and are still unable to log in, reach out to San Diego County Credit Union's customer support for further assistance. They can help you resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.